Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have some Happy Mail from Concord and Ninth. I have ordered from them before, but it's been quite some time. But I have been on the kick of getting dies and stamps, and I have just been loving it lately. So when I saw that they had some things that I thought I might like, I went ahead and got them. And they were on sale, which made it even better, because if something's on sale, it makes me get all excited and feel like I have to get it. So this says, "You're a whole lot of lovely. Yes, you. Yes, you." And I thought that was really cute. And then this is pretty neat. It has a die and it says hope. And it has like just little things cut out here. But when you put it behind a card, the little, whatever color you put behind, the top color shines through, like the bottom color shines through from the top. So it's pretty neat. And then it has this border die on it as well. And then it has a matching stamp set, which I thought was really cute because I love the two stamping thing anyway. And so here's this, and it says hope. Hope you have a fabulous birthday. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Hope this makes you smile. Hope tomorrow is better. Hope you know you're great. And then there's a small hope and then a big hope. So I just thought that was cute. So it's just a small little order, but it's very sweet and I'm looking forward to using them. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.